Good morning, viewers. Welcome to ST Money's Morning News, your weekday business news channel. It is Friday morning, September 27, 2024, and I'm your host, Sunil Thakker of Sunny Talks Money. Let's roll. With several strong readings, such as those jobless claims which undershot forecast and durable goods orders proved unexpectedly robust, markets are looking up again. And the government said growth in recent years was stronger than previously estimated. Weekly jobless claims fell more than anticipated, signaling a steady labor market, while the final reading of the gross domestic product confirmed that the economy grew 3% in the second quarter. This string positive economic data eased concerns that the Federal Reserve may be cutting rates aggressively to curb any slowdown. Now, traders are waiting for the next batch of catalysts that could give them hints about the economy and the Federal Reserve's path ahead. Those include the US Central Bank's preferred inflation indicator and a snapshot of consumer demand releasing on Friday. The S&P 500 edged 0.4% higher to its 42nd closing record of this year and is on the pace for its best performance through the first three quarters of the year since 1997. It closed up 23 points at 5,745. The blue chip Dow Jones Industrial Average rose 260 points, 0.62%, to 42,175. Nasdaq Composite advanced 108 points, 0.6%, to 18,190. While both the S&P 500 and Dow have hit multiple record highs this year, the tech-heavy Nasdaq is about 2% shy of its own milestone. The Russell 2000 index tracking small caps outperformed the broader market with a 0.62% gain. Markets were ebullient yesterday, even after the investors tuning into commentary from Fed Chair Jerome Powell on Thursday did not get any details on the economic outlook or path for monetary policy. US stock indexes were also propelled higher by Micron Technology Incorporated, which gave a strong forecast aided by AI demand. Shares of Micron Technology rose 15.78% after the memory chip maker projected first quarter revenue above expectations, highlighting strong demand for memory chips used in artificial intelligence computing. On the other hand, news of the US Justice Department's probe of Supermicro Computer Incorporated, also a beneficiary of the AI boom, pushed its shares lower. After the closing bell, Costco Wholesale Corporation posted higher than expected profit. US listed Chinese firms such as Li Auto gained 7.13%, PDD Holdings advanced 13.28%, while Alibaba added 10.08%. Shares of Wells Fargo gained 5.19% after a report showing that the banking giant had sent the Fed a review of lifting asset cap restrictions. Southwest Airlines gained 5.42% after the carrier raised its third quarter revenue forecast, while Accenture rose 5.57% after the IT service provider forecast annual revenue above estimates. 7 of the 11 S&P 500 sectors climbed, led by materials, which rose 1.97%. Metal prices got a boost after China pledged to deploy necessary fiscal spending. Copper miners such as Freeport-McMoRan gained 7.45%, while lithium miners including Albemarle and Arcadium added 9.92%. However, energy stocks lost 2%, tracking crude oil that slid on expectations of greater supply by the Organization of Petroleum Exporting Countries, OPEC. Oil slid for the second day as Saudi Arabia was reportedly committed to increasing output in December, while Libya named its new central bank governor, opening the way to reviving some crude production. Brent crude is $71.60 a barrel. Gold is $2,672 per ounce. The 10-year Treasury yield was little changed, settling at 3.788%, up slightly from Wednesday. Yields have climbed since the Fed cut interest rates last week. Elsewhere, the Swiss National Bank cut borrowing costs by quarter point at a third straight meeting. Mexico also cut interest rates, joining easing steps by Hungary and Czech Republic earlier this week. Shares jumped in Hong Kong and mainland China after Beijing announced more measures to support the country's weakening economy. Friday will bring data on personal income and spending, plus the Federal Reserve's preferred inflation gauge. That's it for today, folks. See you Monday morning. Have a great weekend. In the meantime, let us know in the comment section what are your thoughts for the market. Happy investing, stay inspired, and remember, it's all about money.